Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking everything down: tripod, manual focus, and manual exposure so the camera won't shift mid-shot. Once done, set your frame rate, 12, 15, or 24 FPS, and calculate frames per action to control timing precisely. Make quick marks with tape for both object and camera positions to repeat moves. Also, establish stable, consistent lighting. Flicker destroys smoothness. From here, take your first frame and test a 1-2 second sequence to confirm exposure, composition, and that nothing shifts on it. Now you focus on motion control. Move the subject in tiny, consistent increments and measure those shifts when possible to keep motion fluid. Make use of onion skinning or overlay playback so you can compare the previous frame to the next. This is how you refine micro movements. Trigger each frame with a remote or intervalometer to avoid touching the camera. Every few seconds, play back the captured frames. If motion looks uneven, slow your increments or increase frame count for smoother interpolation. To finish, capture extra frames at the end of the action so you can trim cleanly, then export at your chosen frame rate. Once exported, stabilize small shakes and do color grading. Lock timing before adding sound design or effects. If you encounter jitter, first check anchors and tape marks for slippage, and confirm camera settings remained manual. If needed, apply subtle motion blur or digital stabilization in post. These fixes smooth tiny inconsistencies without wrecking the hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.